Good morning, everybody. Friday. It is 7/7/7, July 7, 2023, 2023. 2 plus 2 plus 3, 7, 777. Not going to go and predict any kind of futuristic moves, even though that's what we're supposed to do. But from memory alone, I recall 999, September 9th, 2016. We waited and waited and waited and waited all through that move up off of Brexit back in 2016. XI's brought it to my attention, and Stanley Fischer made some comments right after the opening bell, and the S&P dropped 2.45% on that day, and it was a Friday. Well, we got that Friday again today. We got jobs report coming out, and the most important thing to do is realize, recognize, and appreciate. Yesterday, we got our minus 1% visit.
Let the dogs out!
After how many days? Greater than 3 weeks, greater than a month, all the way back to May 24, when the last time the VIX closed above 21. And yesterday, we got our minus 1% visit. Not only did we get that, but we also got our VIX back.
Let the dogs out!
And yes, because of this euphoric move, this is what I spoke about entering into the end of last week, over the weekend, about how you're not going to get an alarm that tells you, hey, volatility is about to make its comeback. It's going to happen without anybody being ready for it. And that's exactly what came back over the course of this week. The gap up, now another gap up today, cruising into 16s, still at that 17, still with this gap to be filled here, and still way off of 21, and very close to that long-term support trend line that I spoke about. However, the answer is still inside of QQQ. QQQ made sure yesterday that we were not going to get that face-ripping sell-off that everybody wanted. And that was because they had everything over there in Microsoft, over here in Apple.
Not this time. Not this fucking time. No! No, 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 no! No! No, 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 no! No! Not this fucking time! No fucking way, no fucking way, no fucking way, no fucking way! You made me look a right cunt!
Everything was red, but you weren't getting major sell-offs. NVIDIA holding itself, Amazon, Tesla did pretty worthily, but most importantly, Meta closed red. So, yeah, we did get a minus 1% day yesterday. We do have the jobs report today. We had the full moon on Monday. Now, we did not close below minus 1% yesterday, which was a little bit of a trickery move for me, because these previous minus 1% drops, the first one closed below the minus 1%. The next one followed through the next day, closed fractionally above it. That was because we were oversold. Go back to the prior one, May 4th, and again, 40.61, 40.49.84, fractionally above. 41.26, 41.19, fractionally below. Come back here to April 24th, 25th. That was when First Republic crashed. 40.95, we closed all the way down at 40.71. And that was when the VIX had already left the 20s. Go back to prior to the 20s, and it was a great pattern. Minus 1% day, plus 1% day, minus 1% day, plus 1% day. So all we got yesterday was a little bit of a teaser, a little bit of a, hey, what's up? How you doing? And yeah, what we are definitely looking to expect on a day like today with the jobs report is we would be managed to expect a follow-through, a little bit greater of a decline. And the only way that decline is going to take place is if they abandon the QQQ, break this 365, break down below this other gap over here, minus 364, and start to put pressure on that 360. This is the only thing that matters. QQQ and those 7 stocks. And fuck you, Meta. You closed red. Go on, get down there. Get your piece of shit, overpriced bullshit, fake threads down into these gaps. Get down there to that 275 and start to eat some shit because you have a graveyard of unfilled gaps. And I want to see you fuck up big time when earnings come out. Friday, I got a lightning, tornado, thunderstorm going on over here. I hope this video does get out. And if it doesn't, well, I'll try and get it uploaded after the power comes back on. Have a great day. Have a great morning. I'll see you in the chat room.